Thank you for your purchase of this Java Tricycle manufactured by Panda Baby Products. Welcome to assembly instructions video of this Java Trike. The box of this tricycle contains the main body, a handle, exhaust pipe set, 2 back wheels, 2 wheel caps, 2 wheel extension caps, and an axle rod. Unscrew the 2 screws on either sides of the main body and remove the exhaust pipe connecting fitting. Take the exhaust pipe set and insert the connecting fitting in the exhaust pipe holder. Insert the exhaust pipe and fit it in the slots on both the sides of the main body. Now, fit the exhaust pipe set by screwing it with the help of a screwdriver. Remove the quarter pins from the axle to remove the 2 washers from the axle. Insert the axle in the slots provided for the back wheels at the back of the main body. And then insert wheel extension caps on both sides of the axle. Insert the 2 back wheels through the axle as shown in the video. Insert the washer and twist the quarter pins on both the back wheels to firmly fix them. Fix the wheel caps by pushing them in the slots provided in both the wheels. Unscrew the screw on the handle to open the cell cap and insert 3 AAA batteries. Untwist the quarter pin and remove the connecting pin from the slot. Join the main body and handle and connect them with the help of a connecting pin. Finally, insert the quarter pin and twist it to attach the handle with the body. Now this bike is ready for your toddler to ride.